What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time, another the fresh one. In today's video, we're gonna do a basic ABC medium skin fade. Let's call it medium high skin fade. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. Let's go! All right, now I have to come down and adjust the camera. You know my style. That's how I do it. Okay. Now the camera is locked. Unbelievable. All right, let me adjust right quick. This video is gonna be very nice, fast, and effective. That's the plan. I'm a little hungry. We gotta get to lunch. My customers gotta get to lunch. I gotta get to lunch. It's lunchtime in Waukegan, Illinois, and we all worked up. Barber Illuminati. All right. As you can see, you guys already know my style. Half of the haircut has already been completed. I'm just gonna fade this right portion, nothing more, nothing less. We're gonna keep the top, maybe throw a little clip of a comb in the back, and we out. All right? It's not gonna be too much talking this time. It's same old. The style is still the same. First guideline with the OA 00050 to blend into it. Second guideline with the number 2, 1.5, 1A, 1 OA, maybe the 000. That's it. My style is very straightforward, very basic, not confusing. If you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. This channel is designed for only all detachable blades for now. That's the concept I'm trying. So far, so good. I feel like the channel should be growing much faster than that. However, I'm following a path that is unique. If it's growing slow, so what? So, I feel like if this channel was an adjustable clipper channel, I would probably be about 100K right now. But this is all detachable blades. A lot of people shy away from that kind of territory. So I had to keep on doing my thing. Even though the channel is growing slow, but it's growing. I appreciate all the subscribers. Those of you who take the time to leave beautiful comments, I appreciate that. All right, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA as usual. I'm gonna adjust the chair just a bit to make sure my angle is just perfect. Bingo. Yep, making sure. All right, this is just perfect. I'm gonna zoom in right a little so you guys can see all the details. Yep, there we go. All right, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA blade. Let's go. OA. Adjust the camera a bit. Bingo. I think this is perfect. All right, much better. OA, I still have the OA blade on. Create my first guideline. Why is this blade pulling? I have no idea. OA guideline. I'm almost done with it. For whatever reason, the OA is pulling. Okay, I got it. Done it. All right, here comes the 000. At an angle, get in there. Like I said, I always say we do teach detachable blade classes at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. If you're interested in taking an all blade class, it's $1,000 for 4 sessions. You cannot take just one session. You got to buy all 4 of it. It's $1,000 you have to pay up front, and then you have to spend 4 Saturdays with the barber Illuminati. So if you're interested, please send me a message, and we'll take it from there. That's a 5-0 behind the 000. Get in there. We're going to bring back the 000 a little bit more. Okay. Then I'm going to use a slim line. From time to time I have to do that to work out the bottom line, to make sure the bottom line is thoroughly out of there before I move on. Shout out to the city of Ghana, actually the country of Ghana, especially the city of Accra. I see you, I know you're watching. Boom. All right, a little bit of that shaver. Boom. All right, I'm getting ready to create my second guideline with the number 2 blade. I'm gonna do number 2, 1.5, 1A, 108. Let's go. Maybe the 000 is needed. All right, here we go. This is my number 2 blade. At an angle. The reason why I'm using the angle is because I intend for it to blend into the lengthy hair on top. That's why. Then the 1.5. Get in there. You cannot stay low. You gotta stay real tight to the 2. If you stay too low, your blend is gonna be nice and dark. You don't want that. I prefer a nice, soft blend. So for every blade that you use, the next one below it has to be nice and tight to it. Don't be afraid to get in there. Now here's my 1A below the 1.5. Also, get in there. My 1 blade coming up. Same thing, get in there. This is my OA, below the 1. Then the 000 very lightly. Boom, we're looking good. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps to make the blend a little softer, but we're looking good. All right, the 2 one more time. The 1.5. One more time. The 1/8. One more time, below the 1.5. This is the secret with all detachable blades. Since it's not adjustable, you have to repeat the steps from time to time as you see fit. That's the secret, really. Everything else is just a matter of you knowing what to do and committing yourself to practice the skills regularly until you become the master at it, like I am. The Barber Illuminati channel is the only channel exclusively designed for all detachable blade haircut in the whole entire universe as we know. There's no other channel like it. As you can see so far, I cut all kinds of hair on this channel, a variety of ethnic groups, from Asian, you're Filipino descent, right?
Yes, sir.
Boom, from Asians to whites, Caucasians, whatever's out there. I cut them all. I do not shy away. Barber Illuminati. I even had a Chinese one time. What's up, Toy? From out of California. I see you. I know you're watching. Barber Illuminati. Yeah, I had a Chinese named Toy from the Navy. One of my #1 fans. Yep. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this blend here is complete. Oh my God, wow. All right, I'm gonna do a quick clip of a comb. Just to organize the crown a bit. As a matter of fact, before I do that, let me go ahead and tidy up the C-cup. The customer don't get much of a lining. We're just gonna do a quick lining around the vertical bar right quick. And then a little bit of the C-cup, that's it. Nothing fancy. This haircut is very much about the blend. The all detachable blade blend. That's about it. Nothing more, nothing less. But I'm gonna add a little clip of a comb around the crown. Do a quick span. Then we're gonna go to lunch. That's it. He's having taco for lunch. Me, I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, on this side, up to the crown, I'm gonna do a quick clip of a comb, and then we're gonna wrap this up. Usually when I do clip of a comb with all detachable blades, I use my 08 blade as a base blade. I don't need to get too excited. It's just a light clip of a comb here. All right, that's about it, people. I'm gonna do a quick spin so you guys can see the entire work. After that, we're going to lunch. This video is under 20 minutes. Thank God. I did not intend to do a long one, and that's exactly what happened. It was a nice, short, and effective haircut. For visual purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and wet the front a bit. We did not touch the top at all. We just put a fade under the top, just letting the top grow. We just put a fade under the top and that's it. So for visual purposes, I'm gonna throw a little bit of water on there to add a little moisture to make sure, you know, we're looking good here. And that's it. Just for the visual. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick spin so you can see the entire work. After that, we're going to lunch, man. I'm hungry. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, wow, look at this. Wow, and it all was done with all detachable blades. Oh my God. Wow, wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. All right, YouTube, if you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Bob Illuminati.